currently thunderstorming. Good flash. Not sure if you guys can hear the thunder too well because I'm inside right now, and the thunder is not too loud, but there's definitely a little bit of thunder. It's not pouring, but it is also not sprinkling. That might be a little hard to tell. Whoops. If you guys look over at the sidewalk, you can see the rain falling on it. Let's get another good flash. Looks like the rain is picking up though. A little bit. That was a good one. And now it's really coming down. I want to see another flash. One more on camera before I end off this video. There we go. It is absolutely dumping now. It is a monsoon out there right now. Lots of thunder, lots of lightning now. I would say it picked up. I love a good nighttime thunderstorm. Let me get like that just in case lightning happens while I'm filming this little outro. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like a nighttime thunderstorm. Nighttime thunderstorms are definitely my favorite types of thunderstorms because can see the lightning the best, which is obvious. Because at daytime thunderstorms, even though they're still cool, any thunderstorm is cool. But nighttime ones are definitely the best because can see the lightning the best. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss lit everyday Andrew videos as well. Crazy to think that April is starting tomorrow. This year has been flying by so fast. But anyway, everyday Andrew out. Peace.